The benefits of shingle roofing by Affordable Roofing Systems. Looking to upgrade your shingle roof? Don't think all shingles are created equal. It's important to choose high-quality shingles, and the most important thing is not skim on the installation. At Affordable Roofing Systems, we combine quality shingles with expert installation. Discover why the right shingle and the right contractor make all the difference for homeowners seeking lasting protection. With this perfect combination, you can enjoy these benefits. Curb appeal and property value. Shingle roofing is versatile. Whether you're aiming for a modern minimalistic look or a classic touch, there's a shingle design, texture, and color awaiting you. Especially in Tampa Bay, where homes range from contemporary designs to timeless classics. Asphalt shingles complement every architectural nuance. Affordability, economical and value-driven. Affordability is one of the main reasons many homeowners prefer asphalt shingles. Offering premium quality without breaking the bank, shingles provide a high ROI. Moreover, they require less maintenance than many alternative roofing materials, ensuring savings in the long run. High-performance roofing material. For its price, the asphalt shingle is worth it. Of course, it's not as durable as metal roofing, but a properly installed and well-maintained asphalt shingle roofing system can last up to 25 years or even more. They are durable, have an ideal weight, and have excellent uplift and fire resistance. Easy repairs and maintenance. Accidents happen. Be it a stray branch or the effects of time, shingle roofing is relatively easy to repair. Individual shingles can be replaced, making them less intrusive and cost-effective. Plus, with Tampa's unexpected weather changes, having a roof that's easy to maintain is a bonus. Built for Tampa Bay's dynamic climate. Be it the relentless summer sun, unexpected rain showers, or high humidity and moisture, shingles are crafted to withstand Tampa's diverse climate. Special UV-resistant and water-repellent features promise longevity and durability, even in the toughest weather conditions. Energy efficiency. Modern shingle roofing solutions, especially in sun-soaked areas like Tampa, come with solar reflecting capabilities. This reduces heat absorption and aids in maintaining a balanced indoor temperature, leading to potential savings on energy bills. Contact us today. Ready to take your home to the next level? Contact Affordable Roofing Systems at 813-542-8462 or visit www.affordableroofingflorida.com for a free quote. Let us show you why shingle roofs are the ultimate choice for homeowners who demand the best.